Hey guys, so as you can see, I have removed the black and red contact paper from my cabinets, and I'm getting ready to change it to this beigey brown color. And I'm going to do a black marble backsplash, and I'm actually going to be painting my walls black. So let's get started. As for materials, all you're going to need is a measuring tape, a knife, scissors, and this is optional, but you can use this to apply the contact paper and make sure it's smooth. But you can use your hands or like a credit card as well. So the contact paper already has grid lines on the back, just so you can make like straight cuts and accurate measurements. So this is the second piece for this cabinet. I just tried it on the first drawer to see how I like it, and I'm liking it. So the first thing you're going to do is just measure your drawer, and what I do is I add a little bit of extra just in case. Okay, so that's about 20 inches, and I'm going to add 1 inch for this side and another inch here. So what's that again? About 20, so I'm going to put 22 inches. Then once you cut it, this is what you'll get. Make sure it fits. And then what I'm going to do is just peel the backing off and make sure it goes smoothly on the cabinet. Hey guys, so today is day 2 of my kitchen transformation. I'll show you guys how it looks so far. I did the bottom cabinets and I just have to do the top, the backsplash, the island, the accent wall. But this typically takes like 3 days max for me to do, outside of, normal work hours. But this is the contact paper that I use. It's like this beigey taupe sort of color. So it's a matte finish. It's going on pretty easily. So this is a matte finish. And for the backsplash, I always use something that's a shiny finish, something that's waterproof and heat resistant, because you want to use those options for your kitchens and your bathrooms. But yes, I'm gonna finish applying this. So far it's going on pretty easy. Yeah. It's just so much work. It's fine. It's gonna come out great. Okay.